A dense layer of fog has settled over the national capital, causing air quality levels in the city to exceed over 300. Now take a look at these visuals. The city's
442, which means that the air quality of the national capital has entered into the severe or hazardous category. Currently, we are present at the Kartavya Path, and you can see this iconic building, Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is now completely diminished, although it is illuminated at the night. But because of this thick layer of smog, you cannot see it, as the visibility has gone down severely.
Where you are, and what does it look like there?
See, absolutely. See, the situation here in the national capital continues to worsen as the air quality at 18 exactly, which is in the severe category. Today morning also is the same picture. The national capital has turned into a gas chamber. Now, on the other hand, year after year, we are seeing that on ground. Whether they would be implied or not, we have to wait and see, because a review meeting is going to take place today. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court also highlighted that how the continue engage in war of words, and it's the people of the national capital who continues to breathe in this toxic air. Meanwhile, a large number of cases also is increasing here in the hospital. People who
address the growing pollution in the national capital. The party pointed out that the smog towers, which were promoted as the solution to the crisis, have now been switched off. Listen in.
पूरी तरह से चरमरा गया है। दिल्ली को एक तरह से हमारी राजधानी को नरक बना दिया है उन्होंने। छोटे बच्चे, बड़े बुजुर्ग सब प्रदूषण के शिकार हो गए।
प्रदूषित शहर बनने के लिए अब बताइए AQI 400, 450, 500, 600 पार जा रहा है। गैस चेंबर बन चुकी दिल्ली। आंखों से आंसू निकलते हैं, फेफड़े खराब हो रहे हैं। बोलते नहीं, दोष हरियाणा, यूपी और दिवाली को देते हैं। अरे दिवाली खत्म हो गई, अब भी चल रही है प्रदूषण की जो ये जहरीली हवा। क्यों, क्या हुआ केजरीवाल जी? प्रदूषण मुक्त पानी पीने से बीमारी हो सकती है। दिल्ली वासियों को आम आदमी पार्टी ने ये दिया है 10 साल में।
This is there for a very long time, and I think the state government has to take immediate action, try to reduce the pollution in whatever way it is possible.
So the Bharatiya Janata Party has in fact demanded that school.
I wanted to ask you about the situation in Delhi at this moment. Did you find it difficult playing, given the AQI, the thick layer of smog that is here? We see the situation. Sometimes it's difficult to see the players or the ground properly. Did you face any?
Team and also as an individually focus on that.